Hey guys, how to create notification in Android Studio. It's very simple. Let's go. Run the empty project and then in resources, in layout, in ActivityMail.xml, let's edit. Instead our text view, let's add button. Instead our text hello world, notify me. Okay, and let's go to our main activity file. And inside our onCreate method, let's find our button with find view by ID, button type is button, and find it in resources, then ID by ID, and we need to add ID to our button. ID plus ID XML button. Return to main activity and find our XML button. We have a mistake. It's a strange mistake. Let's write once more id.xml button. And our mistake is finally gone. It was a glitch. Let's go further. Next we need to set onClickListener to our button.setOnClickListener, and here we will add a notification in our application. Only 6 lines of code left. Create a builder variable with notification compot.builder, and inside we need to add context and channel ID. Context is our activity, these, and channel ID can be any channel ID. In the second line, let's create a title to our notification. Right, builder dot set content title. For example, hello, this is Elon Musk. Third line, create the text of our notification. Builder dot set content text. For example, could you borrow me some money to launch a rocket? Fourth line, create the unique icon for our notification. Builder dot set small icon, and find our icon in resources, then drawable, and let's create our icon in drawable folder. For this, right click on drawable, then new vector asset, next click on clip art, then find, for example, rocket, choose our icon, OK, next, finish, and let's rename it. Right click, refactor, rename, I see rocket, sounds better, refactor, and find our I see rocket icon. To show our notification, we need to create manager variable is equal notification manager compat dot from, and from context is our activity is this. And the last sixth line, let's show our notification with our manager dot notify, and we need to add ID and a tag. ID can be any, for example 1, and then we need to build our notification builder.build. Let's run the application to check how it works. Our application has started. Click notify me, and we received a notification which we created. If the video was helpful, please like it. Have a good day, have a good coding. Hope to see you again on this channel. See you soon.